One thing you notice as a real estate agent is that so many of the remodels on the market all look exactly the same. White cabinets, white countertops, white paint, just white everything. Well, today I want to show you a unique and amazing property that's the total opposite of that. It's got special custom features everywhere, like the limestone work inside, unique seating surfaces, nooks and alcoves everywhere, cedar beams, and a spectacular butler's pantry. I'm Chris Anderson at 12 Rivers Realty. I want to show you 1016 Klondike Loop in Round Rock.